Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here feeling very feminine with this rosy smoky eye, which is beautiful for basically any occasions, but you can do this definitely at night for night events, occasions, and during the day because it's pink, and pink is automatically softer, so you can definitely rock this during the day for an event or an occasion. And it's like my favorite kind of look, you know, pinkish, romantic, feminine. And I'm super excited about this tutorial because I am using some new products. I will leave the link of all the products down below. They're mostly found, I think all of them, basically thinking about it, you can find at Sephora, which is a place I actually shopped some things that I use in this tutorial. I love shopping at Sephora. They always have like the best stuff. They have the best brands, I have to say. You can find like from the most luxury brands to the more popular brands that we love. So Sephora is a place, I mean, I've always shopped at Sephora. I think every girl, when you think of buying makeup, you think of Sephora, right? I just love the store, and I love how you can also be like a beauty insider there. If you sign up for the program, you can get so many perks like makeovers for those special occasions. You could just go in and get a makeover. You get like discounts and promotions, and once you build up your points, like buying products, you can get things for free. It's just like I love going to the store experience at Sephora. It's just amazing. So I went there recently and I got 3 new products which I'll be using in today's video, and I really hope you guys like this tutorial, and also the link to the Sephora affiliate program if you do want to sign up. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna do skin first with you guys. So what I have done so far was my Caudalie Eau de Bouteille water all over my face. I always do this. And for foundation, I used my all-time favorite. I used this foundation since I was a child. I'm kidding. But my first video 8 years ago on my channel, I was using this foundation, Sheer Glow by NARS. It's amazing. It still works for my skin. So I just blended it all in with a beauty blender. I did this eye and we're gonna do the other eye together, but I'm just gonna finish skin, okay? I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer, my Givenchy. This is on number 2 as a base here. And I like to apply it with a fan brush so that it just gets a little bit of product. Then I'm gonna get my NARS Seaside bronzer and apply it on top of everywhere I just applied. Really contour those cheekbones. And of course, always a little on the nose here. Make sure that nose looks contoured. And now I'm gonna apply concealer. I've already applied it on this side of the face, and now I'm gonna apply it on the other side. My NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. You guys, this concealer has been part of my life for about 9 years. Again, since I started my channel, pretty much, and it still has been my favorite concealer of all times. I cannot let it go. For me, there's no concealer that can replace it. It's just like I'll use other ones, but I always come back to this because it covers, it highlights the face. It's just the right amount of coverage. It doesn't make your skin heavy. So it's my favorite, and I always buy it together with the foundation. I kind of go through them together, and yes, you can find it at Sephora. Mostly all the products I use you can find at Sephora. Especially on today's tutorial, you'll be able to find them all there. Okay, look how highlighted it gets. And I even apply the rest on the lid. It also works as a nice primer. I'm gonna get my Dior highlighter. This is the Dior Nude Air, Dior Skin Nude Air, and I like to apply it with my finger. Here are my cupid's bow, chin, and I'll leave the cheekbones for after I do my eye. I love this highlighter, it's so amazing. All right, let's move on to eye, and then we'll finish the full skin. So before I start my eye, I'm gonna bake it a little bit here with my Laura Mercier loose powder. And what I'm going to do, apply it here. I'm also gonna apply it on this side in case I touch it. Also a little bit here under the contour that we just did. And this loose powder, you guys, it's the perfect loose powder. I was so scared before to do baking on my face, and this is the loose powder that actually like the only one that works for me as of now. It's very thin coverage, it won't make you cakey. So just gently dab it on, and then we'll remove the excess after we're done with the eyes, okay? I'm gonna start with this Marc Jacobs Eyeliner. I love this because it lasts so long, it won't get out of your skin. Like I did swatches when I got them, and after for me to remove it was so hard because it really is like, it stays on, and we need that when we want eyeliners, right? We don't want it to smudge or get off, so this is amazing. And I love the fact that you can just turn the bottom here and you don't have to sharpen this. You can just scroll down here and it will just get bigger. You get more product, so I love. So I'm gonna use as a base, since I'm gonna do shades of rose, I'm gonna use this as a base, and this color is gorgeous. It's the wine. And I'm also gonna apply a little bit on my bottom eye, close to my lash root. I'm just gonna smudge it with a pencil brush. And now I'm gonna get my beautiful Desert Rose palette from Huda Beauty. It's actually like this. I love Huda's palettes. I'm always bringing it with me. I have like 3 of them. I always bring it on my travels because I love the fact that she always has matte finish shadows and these glittery ones, which are more like pasty, which gives your eyes such a beautiful finish. Love, love, love this one. And I also got it at Sephora. I love that Sephora has the Huda products. It's so convenient, right? When you go shop. I'm gonna start with the color Saffron. This one right here, which is a more winey rose. When I say wine, like winey, more like a wine color. I'm also gonna apply a little bit here, just on top of this eyeliner. Oh, and I forgot, so I'm already gonna apply my black eyeliner, also from Marc Jacobs. Guys, having this black eyeliner, it's like goals, because for me it's like the best black eyeliner. It does not remove, it doesn't smudge. And I'm gonna apply it on my waterline just to define my eyes a little more. Look at that. Ooh. And now what I'm gonna do is come with this gorgeous coral. This is called Eden. I use this color a lot, even like by itself. And I'm gonna apply it on my crease area. I love rose colors with coral. It looks so beautiful. Also down here. To highlight under my eyes, I'm gonna use Desert Sand Matte Finish Beige. Right there. And now I'm gonna use Oud. O-U-D. I don't know how you pronounce this. What word is this? But it's a beautiful brown. And we're just gonna start applying it here on the outer corner of the eyes using a blending brush. Pencil brush, same brown color. I'm just gonna let this brown take over. Mixing it with the rose, it looks so unique and beautiful. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these 2 shadows right here. They are glittery shadows, Twilight and Retrograde. So Retrograde has more of a brown undertone. It's like a rosy color with a brown undertone, and this one has more of a lilac undertone. So I'm just gonna mix both and you see what we're gonna get. So this is the lilac undertone and then the Retrograde. And I like to apply these with my finger. It's just so convenient. And they really just stick on. You don't need to apply any other product on top. Ooh. Oh, I didn't say. Lastly, I'm applying Angelic, which is a shimmery. It's not glittery, it's just shimmery. Right here in the inner corner. And how beautiful is this? On top, I'll come back with the Angelic shadow. Just to highlight that area. Eyes pretty much done, and now we're just gonna apply mascara. And I'm gonna use my Lancome Grandiose Extreme, which is one of my favorite mascaras, along with the Dior one. I'm gonna apply it on upper and bottom lashes. I haven't really been using false lashes lately. I think that, I don't know, it's just, I'm more about shadows lately than lashes. Not that I love lashes, but when you put fake lashes on, I don't know, it sometimes takes away the beauty of the shadows. So I've really been just working with my lashes. Those are the eyes. Now what I'm gonna do is finish the skin with you guys. And the first thing I'm gonna do is highlight it with my Dior highlighter. I like to apply it with my finger. This just has the best texture, this highlighter, when you apply it with the finger. It's so amazing. Look at that, how beautiful. And then blush. Wonder if I should use a really light blush. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in Fetish. More concentrated on the apples of the cheeks. There we go. And now we're gonna move on to lips. So for lips, I'm gonna do a nude pink color, and I'm gonna just, as a base, use my favorite lip liner in the world, Laura Mercier Hazelnut Tea. And I basically use lip liner on my lips all the time before lipstick to define my lips a bit more, like on the, you know, really draw it. And sometimes I do fill it in, but this color is just basically the color of my lips, just a little bit darker. So it doesn't change the color of the lipstick, it just makes it nicer. I'm actually gonna remove it a little on my lips, just a little more on the outside. And now I have two lip colors that I'm very excited about. These are Sephora brand lipsticks. Actually, Sephora makes amazing products and the price is really good. And I tried these two in store and I was like in love with these two colors. And the packaging is so cute. Look at the packaging. It's so fun. So I got color We and Love. We is number 3 and Love is number 7. I'm gonna swatch them on my hand so you can see. This is We, more of a pink, like rosy pink. And this is Love. And this color I love so much. This is Love, Love, or Love. It's like a very nude pink, but more cold, you know? Love, Love. I think I'm gonna use the Love, Love. I love, love, love. So these are the lip stories from Sephora. I'm gonna try Love, Love first and see if we like that. And this one is matte finish, but very comfortable on the lips. And let's try now. And We is more hydrating. I think I like this one more with this makeup. But this one, I'm already imagining like a black smoky eye with it because it's more cold. Maybe I'm gonna mix both. Yes, I love mixing lipsticks, you guys. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. A super feminine but sexy look that you can wear to many occasions at night or even during the day, because the pink just makes it more soft and subtle. So you can definitely do this during the day depending on the occasion. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. And again, all of the products I used today, I'm thinking here, I think all of the products that I used, you can find at Sephora online or in stores, and I will leave the links down below for you. And don't forget, you can also be a Sephora Beauty Insider and get so many perks out of it when you sign up, like discounts and promotions, free makeovers, and as you build your points, as you buy products, you get points, and you're always like getting little things for free, which is amazing. I am sure you shop at Sephora already, so why not sign up for the Beauty Insider program, right? And thank you, my lovely Sephora, one of my favorite places to shop for beauty products, for partnering up with me in this video. So I hope you guys have an amazing week filled with smiles and positivity, and I'll see you next week. Stay beautiful. Mwah.